here we go. 10 of the cup for CBJ Fan. Shing. It might be okay, I don't know. I'm not sure. We'll see. You probably just want a different box. I'm just saying. You don't want this one. No, you don't want this one at all. I'm just saying, you don't want this one. It's a double gold. I don't know what that means. But usually weird in the cup is a good thing. It's a double gold. No, I don't know, David. I don't know about double golds. Alright. Base of Chris Stewart to 249. I mean, golds alone are good, so. Rookie patch auto, number to 249. Maxime Notaro. Beige. With a tiny bit of stitching in the top. I have not seen. I'll move that to the back. Number 25, Chris Stewart. Gold, 12 of 25, Nate Prosser, gold rookie. Gold base, numbered 4 of 25, Brad Richards. And I think this is the 4th one we've pulled. 10-11, the Cup limited logos, number to 50. There's your Crosby auto, Sidney Crosby. Sidney Crosby limited logos to 50. So CBJFan14.